Welcome to Exams Daily, and this video is for today's current affairs, August 20th current affairs. And the first news is President of India pays homage to Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma on his birth anniversary. And in this news, we want to know about Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, and he is the ninth President of India who was President of India from 1992 to 1997, and he is an Indian lawyer and a politician. So maybe the questions are in the format of who is the ninth president of India and who has recently passed away. So or else who is president of from 1992 to 1997 and recently passed away. So maybe the questions are in the format. So on the next question is C. Kishore Rangata, CMD of FACT, has assumed charge as Fertilizers Association of India as chairman for Southern region. So we want to know more about FACT, and yes, FACT is Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited. So now he is becoming FAI's chairman, Fertilizer Association of India for Southern region. So maybe the questions are in the format who is the present chairman of Fertilizers Association of India, or else particularly they ask who is the Southern region chairman for FAI. So Sri Kishore Rangata, and he is CMD of FACT, Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited. And the next news is Dr. Harshavardhan digitally addresses FSSAI's E-Trite Challenge Orientation Workshop. So he also launched the FSSAI's E-Trite India handbook on the website etriteindia.gov.in. So the more about is Dr. Harshavardhan is the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, and FSSAI is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, and they had launched an Eat Right India Challenge. So it is addressed by Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshavardhan. And the next news is E-Sanjeevani. We already had studied more about E-Sanjeevani. So E-Sanjeevani is of two types of telemedicine services, which is doctor to doctor, that is E-Sanjeevani, and patient to doctor, it is E-Sanjeevani OPD. So actually the news is E-Sanjeevani has completed 2 lakh teleconsultations, and we had seen that before 1 week before it is completed 1.5 lakh, but in these 4 to 5 days it becomes 2 lakh teleconsultations. So the success story was revealed E-Sanjeevani platform. So we want to know about what is the purpose of E-Sanjeevani. So we want to if you wish to go to hospital, so in this COVID pandemic situation we are not able to go to hospitals. So that's the reason why they had launched this E-Sanjeevani platform. We can consult to doctors via online. This is the motto of this platform. And the next news is Sri Arjun Munda flags of Tribes India on Wheels mobile vans via video conference in 31 cities across the country. It is an initiative by TriFed. So we want to know about what is TriFed and who is Arjun Munda. So and next who are the ministers in this flag off function. So first Srimati Renuka Singh Saruta, who is the Minister of State for Tribal Affairs, and Union Minister for Tribal Affairs is Sri Arjun Munda, and Sri Ramesh Chand Meena, who is Chairman of TriFed, and TriFed is Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, and it came into existence in 1987. So this is for tribal people's improvement. And the next news is the government on Wednesday approved the proposal to set up a National Recruitment Agency (NRA) to conduct a common examination for jobs in the government and state-owned banks. So a sum of rupees 1517.5 crore has been sanctioned by the government of India for this National Recruitment Agency. So they are going to conduct common examination for government jobs. So on the next news is Universal Sompo General Insurance Company has collaborated with BSE Ebix Insurance Broking Private Limited to sell general insurance product fully digital environment using distribution network. So on more about Universal Sompo General Insurance Company Limited, and its headquarters is at Mumbai, Maharashtra, and MD and CEO of Sompo General Insurance Company Limited is Sharad Mathur. And the next news is RBI has released a framework for authorization of pan-India umbrella entity for retail payments, along with inviting application for entity till February 2021. Those who are preparing for bank examination, you want to give a particular concentration to bank related news. So you may get questions related to bank affairs. So on the next news is Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance has partnered with Element AI, a global developer of artificial intelligence powered AI solutions and products, to develop a strategic AI roadmap for the new age insurer and prioritize investments. So on more about Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance Company Limited, its headquarters is at Mumbai, Maharashtra, and Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer is Sumit Rai. And the next news is Asian Development Bank has approved USD 1 billion, and that is 7485 crore loan to construct modern high-speed 82 kilometer Delhi to Meerut. It is in Uttar Pradesh Regional Rapid Transit System RRTS in India. So they are going to construct a regional rapid transit system between Delhi to Meerut, which is in Uttar Pradesh. So this was funded by Asian Development Bank. So maybe the questions are in the form of who has funded to construct Delhi to Meerut RRTS. So that is Asian Development Bank. So maybe these particular questions bank related to are asked in banking exams. And the next news is the first ever Pallikudam National Award for Innovation in Education instituted by Rajagiri Media was won by Sri Christopher School, Cheshire, which is in Nagaland, and the second silver award was won by Dave Public School, Haryana, and the bronze was won by CMI Chris School, Iriti in Kerala. So the next news is Luis Rodolfo has become the 54th President of Dominican Republic. So maybe the question in the form of who is the 54th President of Dominican Republic, or also who is the current President of Dominican Republic maybe, and that is Luis Rodolfo, and the former President of Dominican is Danilo Medina of Liberation Party. So and more about Dominican Republic, capital is Santo Domingo and currency is Dominican peso. So the next news is Ashok Lavasa has resigned his job and he provided his resignation to President of India Ramnath Kovind. So and more about this is who is the Chief Election Commissioner, and it is Sunil Arora. So Ashok Lavasa has resigned his job. So on the next news is Indian Akshay Urja Day or Renewable Energy Day is observed on 20th August every year. So this day is observed to mark the importance of renewable energy resources in India. Indian Akshay Urja Day. So that is Renewable Energy Day. And the next news is Sadbhavana Divas is celebrated on 20th August, and that is today, to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. So commemorate means it is past. It means past. So Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. So Sadbhavana Divas is celebrated for our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. So this year will be the 76th birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi. So that's it for today. So if you are watching our channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like our video, click that like button and give your valuable comments in comment section, and thanks for watching.